In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a movie poster in Canva. We'll start with a ready-made layout, stylize a photo with duotone color, blend its edges, and finish with a bold title and subtitle so your poster looks cinematic and polished. First, open Canva and choose a poster template. Using a template saves time and gives you a strong layout to build on. With the blank area selected, change the background color. Pick a tone that fits your genre, dark for drama, bright for comedy, and make sure it contrasts with your text and subject. Upload an image you want to feature and place it on the canvas. With the photo selected, click Edit Photo, then open Duotone. Choose any duotone preset you like. This instantly gives your image a cohesive, stylized look. If the colors feel too intense, you can fine-tune the highlight and shadow tones inside that panel. Next, click BG Remover to cleanly cut out the subject from its background. This helps the subject sit on your new backdrop without distractions. After removal, resize the subject and reposition it so it anchors the composition, usually centered or slightly off-center for drama. Now we'll soften the edges. Click Apps, type Image Blender, and open it. Choose Linear as the blend type. Drag the on-screen dots to decide where the image should fade and where it should remain solid. Click Highlight to set which side stays strongest, then adjust the strength slider to control how gradual the fade is. When it looks natural, click Save. It's title time. Click Text and add a heading. Type your movie title, then change the font. Choose something readable and cinematic. Strong sans serifs or condensed display fonts often work well. After selecting the font, resize the title and reposition it for balance against the subject. If you need finer control, open Advanced Settings and adjust line spacing to tighten or loosen multi-line titles. Resize again if necessary and send the title layer behind the subject so parts of the character slightly overlap. It adds depth without extra elements. Add another text box for the subtitle or tagline. Type your line, change its font or color for hierarchy, resize it, and position it under or above the title where it reads clearly. That's it. A clean, stylized movie poster made entirely in Canva using duotone color, subtle blending, and strong typography. Pause and tweak spacing, color, and placement until it feels balanced, and you'll have a poster ready to share or print.